So in this clip, I'm going to show you how to make a pocket flap for your patch pocket. So the first thing that you want to do is have your patch pocket, and you want to figure out what shape that you want your flap to be. Now the flap is decorative, but it also serves as a purpose to cover up your pocket. And it could have a button. So in this case, we're going to make ours a little bit pointed. So the first thing you'll do is measure out your patch pocket. You're going to measure out your patch pocket, and ours is 4 inches across. And you want to make your flap to be about 1/4 inch bigger on either side. So we're going to measure out 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches is going to be our patch pocket. So you measure that out, and then you figure out how tall you want it to be. And ours is going to be about 2.5 inches. And then you just want to find the center point